Okay, this is in response to question number 40 from section 5.2. The original was given. This is actually part of a calculus problem. We're looking at the pre-calc portion of it. Main thing to understand is we basically have two terms. Terms are parts that are being added and subtracted. So what I've just underlined here are all factors, and commutative property allows us to rearrange those. So I can basically take my sec of the 6 times secant x. Basically, like x times x is x squared, we can add those exponents together to get 7 total factors of secant multiplied by a single factor of tangent. And then similarly, if we take our secant of the 4th times the secant, we would have negative secant to the 5th x, just counting up those factors, multiplied by a tangent. Now, looking at what our ultimate goal is, I don't have any addition or subtraction in that problem. That leads me to factoring plus the actual end result of that other side are factors. So I'm going to look at these two terms and I'm going to see that I have a secant to the 5th in common, so I'm going to factor it out. And I also have a factor of tangent in common to both of those. I'm going to factor those out, and I'm going to leave my two terms inside separated by subtraction. So then I'm going to think secant to the 5th tangent times what gives me secant to the 7th tangent. The result would be a secant squared x. And then secant to the 5th tan times what gives me negative secant to the 5th tan, to just be negative 1. So if we look up our identities, we find that secant squared minus 1 is equivalent to tangent squared. And we have a secant to the 5th times a tangent. And if I merge those together, I would have a secant to the 5th times a tangent cubed, which is what our ultimate goal was on the other side. Hope that helps. Have a great evening.